Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how you can make money with Pinterest affiliate marketing as a beginner. Actually, I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT and another free AI software to make videos in just 5 minutes that can potentially go viral and you can get free traffic for affiliate marketing. So what you need to do, you actually need to find stable trends. So you need to go on Pinterest trends, and when you scroll here you can see what are the current trends on Pinterest. And what I need to do, I actually need to find stable trends like I said. So I will click here and then I'm going to click here top yearly trends, and this is what is important for us. These graphs here, those are important for us because like I said, we are looking for stable trends. Why? Because Pinterest takes time and it takes work, and that is why we need stable trends, because chances are you won't get fast results with Pinterest. That is why you need to find a stable trend. And here you can see what are the stable trends. Here you can see the graphs, and we are looking for a stable trend. Here you can see this is not a stable trend. Here you can see a huge peak. So this is actually pretty stable trend. Here, this here is also pretty stable trend. Like I said, we are looking for a stable trend. So for example, here we can see that breakfast ideas is a stable trend. So what I need to do, I simply need to copy this, and I need to go back here and I need to paste that here to check out related trends to this keyword here. Here you can see this is a stable trend in United States in past year, and here I can see audience for this, and here I can see some related keywords. So when I actually go here on Pinterest and when I search that here I can actually get more keyword ideas. Breakfast ideas, healthy breakfast ideas for kids, easy for crowd, for toddlers with eggs, recipes, okay? But I just need to test this main keyword, and I actually need to check out competition. I installed SortPin so I can check out competition. Here you can see competition is big and it is strong, which means this is actually getting probably lots of traffic, but I probably won't rank as a top result, so I probably won't get that much traffic. So I need to find some other keyword related keyword. Now to find even more related keywords, even more related trends, what I need to do, I need to go back here on Pinterest trends, I need to scroll here and then click here where it says keywords. And then here I need to add my keyword breakfast ideas and then simply press enter. And now here I can see what are the current related trends. Here you can see easy breakfast ideas, it is a stable trend. Healthy breakfast ideas, here you can see they usually give us 20 to 30 current trends related to this keyword. And here you can see by these graphs are those stable trends, and here you can see search volume. Now these keywords, they don't have that much search volume, but that means also that competition is not that strong. So for example, let me just take one of these keywords to see competition. So for example, let's just say Easter breakfast ideas. Now currently competition is not that strong. Currently this is not a trend, but it will be in 2 to 3 months. So when I go back here, and when I actually paste it here and press enter, I will see that competition for this keyword is actually a big competition. It's a strong competition because this will be a huge trend in a few months. But also here you can see that some pins that are well optimized, they are actually in top 20 or top 30 results, which means if I do a good job optimizing my own pins, I have a chance to rank as a top result for this keyword here, and in April or March I will get a lots of free traffic from Pinterest. So what I actually need to do now, when I have my keyword, now I need to make a script for my video. So I will simply copy this, and you can go on ChatGPT and you can say something like this: make a viral Pinterest video script about Easter breakfast ideas under 2000 characters. You will see later why we need under 2000 characters. And simply press enter, and now ChatGPT will write this script for us. Well, ChatGPT is writing this script. What we need to do, we actually need to go on a website called Visla AI, visla.us, and you need to register for a free account. Simply click here on sign up for free and register a free account. After that, in upper right corner, click here, and then simply you will go on your dashboard. Now what we need to do, we need to click here on create a video because we wish to create a new video. And because we already have a script, because ChatGPT is writing that script, we need to click here text. because we wish to create a video from our script. Simply go back here on ChatGPT and you will simply copy the script that ChatGPT wrote for us, okay? I will simply paste that here and then simply here describe the video. I will just say medium, okay? And then simply click here on generate video and that's it. Vislavi AI will generate this video for us depending on how long this script is. This can take up to 5 minutes or up to even 30 minutes. So let me just pause this video until Visla AI finish making this video. And Visla finished making this video, so when I click here on play, you will see how this video looks.
Hey Pinners, are you ready to elevate your Easter morning with a feast that's as delightful?
As you can see, this is actually a really good video. If you wish to edit something, all you have to do is just click here on edit and you can edit this video. You can change these slides, you can add your own videos, you can add your own images, you can add your own text or whatever you want. You can even add your subtitle, your own music, whatever you want. But this is important because we are making video for Pinterest. What we need to do, we need to click here on style. And then here we need to click where it says the landscape 16:9. We need to change that because we are making video for Pinterest. We need to choose portrait 9:16 because like I said, we are making video for Pinterest. And here you can see how this looks now. So when I click here and play.
Next on our Easter menu is the excellent avocado toast.
So I will just pause this, and when you finish editing this video, when you finish making this video as you wish, all you have to do is just click here on export, and then if you are using free version of Visla AI, all you have to do is just click here, regenerate with free stock images. And now Visla AI will regenerate this video with free stock images, stock videos and stock music, and you can use this video any way you want. After that, all you have to do is just click here on export and export this video to your desktop. And after you export this video to your desktop, you need to go back here on Pinterest and you need to click here on create a pin and then click here and upload that pin to your Pinterest account. And like I said before in this video, it is really important for you to optimize your pin. In one of my previous videos, I showed you how to optimize your pins to get as best as possible results, to rank as high as possible on Pinterest search results. As you saw, it is really important when we go back here on Pinterest. Here you can see that some of these pins that have no likes are actually ranking high. Here you can see this pin has no likes, no shares, no comments, no engagement whatsoever, but it is among top 30 results on Pinterest for this strong keyword because this pin is actually well optimized. If you optimize your pin well, your pin will rank high and you will start getting free traffic from Pinterest to your affiliate offers, to your blog, to your website, or whatever you want. So this is how you make money with Pinterest affiliate marketing as a beginner in 2024. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side, you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.